Okay, so Mir Electronic Network Technology, so our fastest growing product sector. We have a healthy range of switches with basic switches in the panel, basic switches in the field, 4 and 8 port. We have a 4, 6 and an 8 port in the panel. We have an 8 port gigabit switch. We also have another switch which has 2 ports with gigabit and the rest with 1000 megabytes. We have a range of managed switches for the panel, 4 port and 6 port. And this is our newest addition to the range with a 16 port unmanaged switch. We also have in the field managed switches in the case of a managed light switch and a managed Profinet switch. When we say light, we don't mean less functionality, we just mean it's non-protocol specific. With these shortly, we will be getting a NAT function, so network address translation, so that you can plug multiple machines into a factory with the same IP address range, and any server connections won't see a conflict. These are the switches active and working currently, so we have the Profinet managed, the light, the IP67 Profinet managed, and then a range of compact modules down the bottom to show connections. With our IP20 switches, we do have an alarm contact, so that as we disable that connection between there and there, we do get a visual indicator for operators and maintenance. What this shows really well is that with our Profinet compact I/O devices, we have what's called fast startup in the case of Siemens and Quick Start with Allen Bradley, and that is a 500 milliseconds initialization for communication, so that the input data is communicated within 500 milliseconds. Over here we have a good range of RJ45 connectors with multiple different angles, so that there's 45 degrees to horizontal, 90 degrees to horizontal, 45 degrees to vertical and 90 degrees to vertical. These are the full range of Ethernet M12 connections, so we have the classic decoded with a male and a female pit with 4 pins internally. Then there's the new gigabit connection, which is X-coded internal connections for Cat6 communications, and we have Y-coded, which is for power over Ethernet devices, usually up to 100 megabit and slightly over.